So what motivated you to participate in film festival in Ukhrul, a far off place from where you come from?
First of all, being an actor, I'm an actor as well. So I always love going to film festivals. It's the films that you feature in film festivals are like far more better than you get to see in cinemas these days. Just like the recent hit film Animal. Did you watch it?
Which one?
The Animal. From Ranveer.
No, I didn't.
It's a new one.
So you only get to watch this kind of wild films.
Mm-hmm.
So me coming here, the main purpose is to to experience a new art, a new culture. Yeah,
Okay.
that's why that motivated me the most.
And how does performing in a place like Ukhrul contribute to the local cultural exchange?
I don't think me performing here. I normally sing like pretty Bollywood songs, so I'm not sure if I can contribute anything to the community. But I just came here to main purpose to entertain the people here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's the exchange.
Yeah, that's exchange,
Yeah,
right?
the entertainment
Right,
factor.
big entertainment. I'll get
Yeah.
some art
Yeah.
in return.
And can you share any unique experience or interactions you have had with the people in Ukhrul in this short, stay?
Mm-hmm. Well, a few weeks back, I'm aware of the violence here, the situation going on here. But when I came here, it doesn't look like that. Everyone here seems very happy, in peace. Yeah, everyone looks happy. It doesn't look like there were violence at all.
What message or emotions do you aim to convey through your performance in Ukhrul?
I'm not sure about that. I haven't thought that deep.
Okay.
I also came from a very remote area in Naga, let's say. It's a popular place, but still I'm from a very remote area. But gradually, because of the hard work and everything, I came here to meet the people here in Ukhrul. So I think it's similar here in Ukhrul as well. People here seems very talented and very humble, very honest to me. So I think if you contribute more towards your culture, if you work harder, then I think you can do anything, I guess.
Okay. Do you have any friends here, personal friends, real friends?
No.
How do you get connected to people?
I guess via Ravi,
Okay.
the president of the
Yeah.
festival,
Yeah.
he contacted my manager.
Mm-hmm.
So she told me there is an event in Manipur. Do you want to do it? And I was like, yeah, make the deal.
Okay.
I want to do it.
So there was no second thought.
No,
Exactly.
Okay.
I've been to many places.
Okay.
Let's say around the world, but Manipur is one of that place that I always wanted to go.
Okay.
So finally, yeah.
Okay. So what was that thing that attracted you to come here?
I guess the culture.
Okay.
Yeah. And the
So you
tradition.
know something about the culture. You read about
I've
it.
heard about the headhunters.
Ah, okay.
We are the headhunters.
We are the original.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Tangkhul.
It's very interesting.
We are very fierce warriors.
Right. Yeah, you guys look very fearless.
Yeah.
I'm a bit scared.
Oh no.
Just
We're
kidding.
so harmless.
Yeah.
I read about that you were in the monastery. Is
Oh
that
yes,
correct?
yes.
Can you also share something about
Yeah,
that?
sure. So I was in the monastery when I was like I think 10 years old,
Okay.
and afterwards I stayed in the monastery for 8 years. I'm not sure. I don't remember. 8, 9 years, I guess. And I left.
Okay.
And I started working in a cafe for 5 years. And afterwards, in 2015, there was an earthquake in Nepal, right?
Oh yeah,
Are
you were
aware of
there.
that?
Yes.
And after that, it was pretty big. So our cafe was a bit closed for a while, and I had to do something with myself. I have to think about my future. So then I started singing. I started uploading it on Facebook and YouTube and stuff. So people liked it. And I started singing.
Okay.
I actually took my career seriously after 2015.
Okay. So
I love singing from very young age,
Okay.
to be honest. I wasn't good with studies. So I thought like this music thing is that one thing that I'm good at because I wasn't good at studies, so I thought I should do something with this singing thing. But later on, I went to monastery. In the monastery, we were not allowed to sing, play instruments, and everything. So when I left monk, I didn't have any resource. So I started working, living a very normal life. And after the impact, the earthquake, then my career started growing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that was like a boon for you, right?
Yeah,
The-
breakthrough.
Yeah. Good and bad comes out of, like
Yeah,
you said, no?
everything.
In
You never
one, there is
know.
peace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you share your likes and loves? What you like?
I like food
Okay.
a lot.
Okay.
I'm a big foodie,
Okay.
and I don't like dishonest people.
Okay.
I don't like cockroaches,
Okay.
especially mosquitoes. I don't like.
There's no mosquito in Ukhrul.
No, it's very clean. Alright.
So who is Sonam Topden if he's not performing or acting?
If he's not performing, Sonam Topden
Or
is
not acting?
not acting. I guess he will be a good guy, working 10 to 6, and probably he must be married
Okay.
and back to his wife and at work. A very simple life.
Okay. Any message for the fans?
For my fans, you guys have been so supportive from the beginning of my career. So even though I don't have like much to give you guys, still I really appreciate all the support you guys have shown till now, and I hope that you guys could continue showering me with lots of love. So I am here because of all of you. So thank